Current friend is the president of the other Youth Association. We are the team that organizes PY Bondera that happens on Diwar Island. This year it is happening on 20th August 2025, which is the fourth Saturday of August. That is when we celebrate Bondera Festival. Bondera Festival is basically कौन सा जो फेस्ट होने हैं that is known across the globe and across India, where it's a harvest festival that is we bless the fields and offer it to God. We thank God for the crop of the season. दिवाडकारांनी हे सेम फेस्टिवल मातशें celebrate केला with the whole thing of the traditional flag march, the float parade, आणि आमी मातशें exciting केला the entire festival. Festival of Bondera used to happen years and even centuries back, but what PY has done in 1983, we took it over because the Comunidad could not afford to do this celebration. Our ex-presidents in 1983 did not want this tradition to die, so they took over the charge and made sure that this traditional festival of ours does not die. And they enhanced it in whatever way with brass band, music, entertainment. And today, for this great festival, we have the traditional flag march with brass band. We have all Goa fancy dress competition. We've got 6 amazing floats that are prepared by the 6 wards of Diwar Island, followed by live band and live entertainment.
As the president of the club, what are the things you make for the smooth thing happening?
I mean, every year the response that we get is absolutely amazing. We have a fantastic young team. Every 2 years the committee changes. I would also like to highlight that this year the association is completing 50 years. Our association was founded in 1975, and 2025 the association will complete 50 years. So it's a great honor for us that this strong association has grown and has been existing for 50 years and doing good work in youth development for the people of Diwar for the last 50 years. In terms of smooth flow, we have great support from our local authorities, the Goa Police, the government, tourism department. Everybody supports us, and we make sure that we make best arrangements to make sure that the people coming to the festival have a great experience and go back with an experience that will remember for a lifetime.
What are the things on the float parade can't do by the ward members?
So we have a set of rules that the entire float parade follows. Like they can do 2 small objects, 1 big object. Certain things of depiction of alcohol and political figures is not allowed. So we keep it very traditional. I mean, we can explore a little bit of creativity with generic themes like underwater or the nature, or there are different festivals across the world or colors. So it is not compulsory to have a traditional theme, but at the same time, as long as you are being creative and not being politically incorrect, basically. So that is, we have a whole entire contract that we sign with each ward, and there are certain rules and regulations that each one follows.
How the people are so much supportive for your event? You are using the main road, so that day the road be closed.
The thing is, Bondera सगळ्या दिवाडकाराच्या रक्तान हा, काळजान पासून म्हणटना रक्तान हा. That is what we have all grown up to. And Bondera gives each Diwadkar the opportunity to bring out their creativity in whatever way. It is not that they have to come forward and show their creativity. People can do it at the back also without being seen. Somebody is stitching clothes, somebody is making some items that are displayed on the float, somebody is making some amazing food, somebody is singing a song that is being danced on. This is another very important point I would like to highlight, and we are proud that all our wards are doing this. Each ward makes their original song. For the last almost 10 years, each ward has made their own original song with the original composition. So we've got over the last 10 years almost 60 original songs, which now we have started releasing on all platforms of Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music. So everybody can enjoy that because of such great creativity. So I mean, the whole support, the whole village comes together to show what our traditions are, where our roots are. I think सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी आपल्या विलेजींनी अशें करचें आनी दाखोवचें की एकवटान कशें येदें व्हडलें फेस्टिवल आमच्या पुर्वजाचें सांबाळून दवरलां तें फुडें व्हरूंक जाता.
जशें तुवें आमकां सांगलें 50 years कंप्लीट जाता. 50 yearsक लागून कितें स्पेशल आहा?
ती 50 years आमची ऑक्टोबरान कंप्लीट जाता. सो आमी there will be a separate program to celebrate 50 years, felicitation and all of that. but I mean, it is great pride for us to complete 50 years. I would also like to point out a small thing that 50 years back, my father was the founder member of the association, the first committee. I don't think at that time he ever thought that 50 years down the line his son would be president of the same youth association. That I feel like is only a highlight to show what good work the association has done, and we will continue doing so.
हे जे बोंदेरा जे फ्लोट परेड आहा पळय 6 वॉर्डान कॉम्पिटिशन जाता आनी
हय.
तुमचे जजींग पॅनल आसता. जजींग पॅनलान कोण आहा आनी कितके हेल्थी हे कॉम्पिटिशन तुमी तुमच्या आयडियान क्लब थ्रू ऑर्गनायज करता?
So competition is completely fair and square. Judges' decision is completely final. Because our float parade is so unique and so competitive and very creative, and the quality of the float parade is so high, we've got respected judges. This year we've got Francisco Martins, who's going to be a judge. We got Mukesh Gadwal, who's a renowned music producer, who's also going to be part of it, and a fine arts expert in Nagesh Sardesai. So these three are there. We might also add another fourth judge, but for now we've confirmed 3 judges. So all these guys are experts in their fields of music, art, creativity, and I feel like that gives them the right, gives us a good result and fair judgment for the quality of work that we're putting.
एज अ प्रेसिडेंट सगळ्या वॉर्डांक तुजो कितें मॅसेज आसतलो पार्टिसिपेशनाचेर आनी तुजो एक्सपिरियन्स कसो आसलो कम्युनिटी वांगडा काम करतना क्लब कम्युनिटी?
As a president, I just want to tell, like we have the ward meeting also. I just want to tell people of Goa through your medium that I am extremely proud to be part of Diwar and to have these wards that are putting up such quality work. I am, as the president of PYA, I stand with pride that we are delivering the best float parade in Goa. I can openly say it. Please come and witness our floats, because I proudly say all our 6 floats are of immense quality. I am proud of every Diwadkar who is putting whatever creativity he's got to make sure that these floats are on that level. So my message to the people who are doing the float is just to continue doing the same thing, show the same enthusiasm. आमच्या दिवाडकारांक आनी आमच्या वॉर्डांक लागून आमी हा आनी आमचे फेस्टिवल अहें उरला.
What do you like to say about the All Goa Fancy Dress competition which you organize?
Yeah, so we have the All Goa Fancy Dress competition, and we have 2 categories, that is junior and seniors, and it's for all Goans. So if anyone can participate from Goa, and it is open to everybody. We have a set of rules and regulations, and you need to pre-register, and you will be registered with a coupon. So on that day you can show up with your best costume. We have the post on our Instagram page on PYA Bondera, so you can go and check out the details there.
In rules and regulation, what it consists?
Rules and regulations are simple. You cannot choose any figure that is political or that is religious. It has to be something cultural. So you can register till the 22nd. On spot entries won't be considered. The theme is open unless it's anything political or religious. There are 2 categories, juniors and seniors. So you can book your spot, and you will be given a token, and you'll have to perform on that day. So the timing is 30 seconds per participant. So within that time you need to perform.
There is also Bondera lottery. Tell
Yeah.
about us lottery.
So about the Bondera lottery, we have the Bondera coupon, which is selling for ₹200. We have a bike, we have a bicycle, and an iPhone. That is the iPhone is sponsored by Ritesh Teli. And yes, you can buy your coupons on spot as well, or you can contact us for details.
There are only 2 prizes or many more?
There are three prizes.
3 prizes,
One is
yeah.
a bicycle, one is a bike, and the third one is the
Yeah, so
iPhone.
first prize is FC Yamaha FC, which is given to us as a special discount by Aryan Jive from MAPSA, Z Motors. And the second prize, like she mentioned, the iPhone is sponsored by Ritesh Teli, and the third prize, Toronto Cycles, is also sponsored by Toronto Cycles. So we are thankful to all these sponsors for supporting us. Basically, the whole purpose of doing the lottery is we are a youth association. We do a lot of youth development, and to put up such a big festival, we need a lot of funding and support. This is not just a one-time event. Whatever contribution that we get through your generous donation, we spend throughout the year. आम्ही गणेशांक प्रोग्राम करता, आम्ही दिवाळीक प्रोग्राम करता, क्रिसमसाक प्रोग्राम करता, समर कॅम्प असता आमचे, एक बाय बाय समर प्रोग्राम असता, बॅडमिंटन टुर्नामेंट असता, TT टुर्नामेंट असता, आमची GFE ची टीम आहा, which we are proud to say that आम्ही last time 3rd division आणले आता आम्ही 2nd division पावल्या. So we do a lot of sports and cultural activity for the people of Diwar and for the youth of Diwar. So we request you to contribute in whatever small way you can, so that we can give it back to our people of Diwar and Goa in general.
Every year after the float parade, there is a band. So this year, who is performing in band?
Yeah, so this time we have 24K who will be performing first, followed by Injunction, and after that we have DJ Ryan Nagar, our very own Goan, who is internationally recognized, played in Europe and everywhere.
After the float parade, you on same day announce the prizes.
Yes. So prizes are around the same, announced the same day. After the float parade, we give the judges around 1 hour. There's a discussion amongst the judges also, so they have a proper discussion on why certain points are allotted. So that way, everything is fair and square. And once the results are ready, I think almost 1 hour, 1.5 hour after the float parade, we declare it on the same day.
What are the prizes for the winner float parade?
So this was done by us last year because it was the 40th year of us celebrating the festival. Last year was the first year we increased the first prize to 1 lakh rupees because over the years it was a little lesser. So first prize is 1 lakh rupees, second prize is 80,000, the third prize is 65,000, and all the remaining 3 participating wards get a minimum of 50,000 each, which is our support towards them putting up the float, which we honest you everybody knows is very little, but that is what we can do so that we can keep up the standard and the quality of the float parade.
Your Bonyara festival's tagline is Goa's biggest monsoon festival.
Yes.
So what do you like to say about the monsoon festival?
Monsoon festival, Bonyara is the harvest festival as I mentioned before, and the harvest is in the month of August. We are grateful for the rains that God gives us. Without the rain, our fields would not exist. Life would not be the same. And everybody knows in monsoons, Goa is so much more beautiful. We are just here to add a little more color, a little more festivity to this beautiful monsoon period of Goa and basically keep our Goan tradition and the feeling of Goa alive.
Every year, many people come to watch this Bonyara especially. So any message from your side for them for this year to come?
For us, everybody who's coming to appreciate the festival, be part of it, everyone is welcome. We just request you to enjoy responsibly, make sure that you are safe, make sure that your surrounding people are safe. Take care of yourself, take care of people around you. Have a good time, enjoy yourself in good spirit, and appreciate the creativity and the amazing float parade and other entertainment that we are offering you.
Last question for you. What do you like to say about Diwar Island?
Diwar Island in one word is home. It is beautiful. It brings a smile to my face, and it is part of my heart and of every Diwarka's heart. And every Goan, as you know, loves Diwar Island. I can go on and on and on. But in short, please come on 23rd of August and get a glimpse of Diwar, Goa, and the entire beautiful festival.
Thank you.
Shri President for this year is Mr. Clarence Fernandez. I am the Joint General Secretary, Rosma Sarao. We have Rick Sarao, who has recently joined the committee. We have Savio Montero, who is the ex-president. Then we have Chester Fernandez, who is in charge of social media. We have Eduardo Pinto, who is the sports secretary of PYA.
Viva Bonyara, Viva PYA!